Hey, I'm Todd. Thanks for choosing to watch my video, and if you would subscribe it, like it, all that stuff, that'd be great. Otherwise, enjoy the video, and I hope it gives you the information you need and is helpful to you. Take care. 2002 Ford Crown Victoria. Going to do the fuel filters on the rear side of the vehicle, on the passenger side, on the frame. Probably can just use a screwdriver actually. Just pop the clips out. Hopefully you have clips. That is removing your fuel filter. Most fuel filters will come with a new clip, so we'll use those. There it is. Fuel filter replacement, Crown Victoria, 2002. Probably other model years too. So give them a tug, make sure they don't come off. Be good to go. Try not to kink the fuel lines when you're taking them off. You should be fine.